Hey everybody, it's me, Mr. Math. Welcome to your college lecture. Today we're going to be talking about mathematics specifically, and namely, mathematics. So let's get into this lecture here. So let's talk about mathematics. So this is mathematics. In one word, we would describe it as math. Do you understand? Are you following along? What is math? Well, math is nothing more than numerical numbers in an equation. That is what mathematical is. So we're going to be underlining this as N-I-N. Numerical in numer. That is what math is. I'm Mr. Math. I took college for about 2 seconds, so I know all of the math stuff, and I know NIN is one of the most important equations of all time. So I want all of you guys to note this down in your notebooks right now, NIN. Now we'll be moving on to a Venn diagram. Does anyone in the audience know what a Venn diagram is? That's awesome. So a Venn diagram is what I like to call, and what the mathematic community in the industry we like to call we like to call it PPP, because it's part. There is no circle over top, which we can call the whole. It is always a part. It always wants something from the other, like... So anyway, so PPP is what we're really going to want to note down as Venn diagram. But really, what is a Venn diagram systematically? Well, what we can name here as a Venn diagram is nothing more than a systematical equation and a representation of the equation PPP. So we're going to be naming that as NN. So really what NN means is the Venn diagram systematical equation of PPP. So we got NN and NIN. And you're going to be asking me, hey Mr. Math, what do these two things have in common? And what they have in common is a Discord ping I just got. And also what they have in common is what I will let you ask me. What do they have in common, audience? What do they have in common? What does NN and NIN have in common? You. That's the stupidest thing I got. Are you stupid? Can you go back to elementary school? You stupid, eh? Oh, Jesus Christ. Jeez, am I teaching a bunch of monkeys in this place? Oh my God. Anyway, so NIN and NN, what do they have in common? Well, I'll be telling you what they have in common right now. What do they have in common? What do they have in common? What do they have? Well, you might be asking, Nikhil, Mr. Math is actually my name, not Nikhil. It's not, I didn't break character at all. My name is not Nikhil, it is Mr. Math, and I did not break character there. So anyway, what is NN and what is the relation to NIN? Well, what we're going to have to remember is NIN really means numerical numer. So what does NN mean again? It also means the Venn diagram version of PPP. Do you understand? What do these two things have in common? Now, anyone in the audience? Okay, I don't think so. So NN and NIN, what do they have in common? Two N's. And guess what my name is? Nikhil Nair. Yep, this is about me now. Let's draw a Venn diagram again, huh? What is in this Venn diagram? NNN, that is me, Nikhil Nair. So what is in this? Bam, bam, bam. That because I am cool, and I am cool, and I went to math, and I am the coolest math guy in the entire world. So what does this mean? I am numbers. I am Mr. Math.